Hi everyone. I'm going to screen share the part one math website review template assignment. So my grades were third through fifth. So for my first game or video was or first grade level I did was third grade. And what I did for this grade, I did a video, and the video is called Rounding Numbers to the Nearest 10 and 100. Math for Third Grade Kids Academy, and it's a YouTube video that I really liked. It was a fun way to communicate with the students, to work with them as well, and it was a fun video to watch. And the standard for this one was round whole numbers to the nearest 10 or 100. What the little summary of the video is that it had a lot of examples and simpler explanations. That way students can understand it more easily. And what I liked about it most was that it gave you the time to pause and like you can work that problem with the students and then play the video and see what the answer was. And it's just a fun way of engagement with the students. And it also explained how to round the whole numbers to your 10 or 100 like perfectly, not perfectly, but like in some way of they could understand and work together and solve the problem. So for my second grade, second game, it was third grade again. This time it was a game, and the game is called Animal Rescue Fractions Number Line. And this standard was represent fractions on a number line. And this game, it was a really fun. I was playing it for a bit, and it was for a third grader, this would be such a fun game to do with a rotation or to work on a free time. And so a little summary of the game was that um is that the one of the main things that I liked about it was that students could see the percentage of how many they got right. And so it's a great way for students to get motivated, especially third graders, because third graders, you can see they're motivated, like they like to compete a little bit. And so this allows the student to be motivated because once they see their score, they want to keep getting better, a better score. And so basically little what this game does, um, game is that what this game is that what this game is that it gives you a fraction and then you'll place the fraction on the number line wherever you think it goes. If it's wrong, then it automatically tells you and won't let you move on until you get the right answer. But it's a fun game. But knowing for third grader, this would be a fun game to play anytime. The next grade is fourth grade, and what I did for this grade was a video for my first game video help, and the title of the video is compare numbers using the greater than, less than, and equal symbols. And one of the things that I liked about this game was that it made me like what made me want to choose this video give videos that the way it presents the table of the greater or equal, less than, all that. And so, and I forgot to mention the standard compare two multi-digit numbers using the symbols um and justify the solution. And I really like this video. What I thought of when I thought about this video is that it would be perfect for a rotation activity, because it's short, but it gives you like it gives the students time to work with what the problems give them, and then once you're done with that, they can move on to the next rotation. And it was a fun video to watch, especially for the kids. Um, and yeah, it was a fun video to be a part of, and that would just that the students would enjoy. Next game or next grade level, I'm sorry. Um, I did a game, and for this, title of the game is multiply fractions by whole numbers, and the standard is solve problems involving multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. The summary of this game is that it helps the students level up every time they get a star. Um, so a problem will show up, and then the students will try to answer it and get it right. The more they get it right, the more they level up. It's a great way to practice and have the students work on it. And when they are done with homework or group rotations. So that was a little summary of the game. I really like this game. the best part about it was that I liked it how like it won't let you move on until you get the answer right. But the more you get right, the more you level up. So I thought it's a way for students to want to improve every single time. The next game or next level, next grade is fifth grade. And for this, I did a game. And what I liked about the game is called Fruit Splat Math Game, and it's like Fruit Ninja. I don't know if Fruit Ninja was a classic game back then, and it's kind of like it. The center for this is convert decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. So the Fruit Splat game is the same as the Fruit Ninja. The only thing is that it throws a problem up there on the screen, and then you just have to chop the fruit that you think is the right answer. And so it's a fun way. It's a fun game to play, and for the students it would be fun as well. So for my last game or help was it's also fifth grade, and the title of the game is Decimal Addition Subtraction Hidden Picture Game. And the standard was add and subtract multi-digit whole numbers and decimals to the thousands place and justify the solution. I really, out of all the games, I really like this game because it's a picture game. So basically, what it is the game gives you a picture, and then it gives you a hidden picture. When you have to do is just answer the problem and click the answer, and it unveils a small part of the picture. So it gives you a problem, then if you get it right, you get half, like a little part of the picture. And so I thought this game would be a fun activity, and I thought, and one of the things I liked about it most is that I could create my own picture and create another activity with other math lessons. And that's the one thing I really liked about it that caught my attention is that this game you can make it your own and just make your own thing. So